The Good American Zara collaboration is Zara's most size-inclusive launch to date. It runs from a US size 00 to a size 30, and then also from an extra small to a 5XL, which is amazing and super inclusive.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but
hey girl, it's Teresa Shea from Fly Fierce Fab, and in today's video, I'm bringing you a huge Good American Zara collab haul. I bought so much stuff, they had to send it in 2 boxes. I bought one of each of the jean styles. I bought the jumpsuit, the denim shirt, and the plain white t-shirt to try on and show you guys. Let's get into it. It dropped on May 5th, both online and in stores. This is in the US only. As far as in stores at Zara, it only dropped in about 40 stores. There was a list online of all the stores they were at. There were not any in my area, so I only had the option to order online, which is why I bought multiple sizes. I wasn't sure. I knew I couldn't get it in store. And I know how y'all be on the Zara website, so I did not need my size selling out before I could see like what it was giving. You know what I mean? Okay. As far as sizing goes for the Good American Zara collaboration, I will say that they are true to size across the board. When you look at the size guide when you're trying to like find your size, for a size 6, it said that would be a 28.3 inch waist and around a 39 inch hip. Those are essentially my measurements. Those are the numbers that I'm looking for on any size guide when I'm looking for my size. That lined up with a size 6 for them, and across the board in all of these jeans I was a size 6. So I never even wound up putting on the 8s in any of the styles that I got. All of the jeans were $69.90, and there are 4 jean styles: classic bootcut, high-rise skinny, classic slim, and 90s relaxed. Okay, so let's start off with my favorite denim style that I got from the Good American Zara collaboration, which is the classic bootcut. Now typically I'm a skinny jeans kind of girl, so I wasn't sure if I was gonna really like these, but girl, they are everything. And it is super stretchy, which is what makes it so figure flattering and like curve hugging. If you don't try any of the other jeans from this collection, you have to try these. They just look amazing on. And they have that little flare like down at the bottom of the leg because again, it's a bootcut jean, and they're also very long. They have a 34-inch inseam. I didn't see the inseam highlighted for any of the jeans really on the website when I was shopping. However, when you get them, it does tell you like on the back tag what the inseam is for those jeans. Now, if you are more petite, I don't really know how these are going to work for you because they are a 34-inch inseam. So you will probably need to be prepared to wear some heels, girl, get them tailored, do what you gotta do. But they really do fit amazing, and these are my favorite from this collection. Okay, so this next style, girl, I'm very surprised that I like these as much as I do. This is the Good American 90s Relaxed jean. So this is basically a straight leg jean. It's fitted at the waist, and then it's very baggy. These don't really have stretch in them. So as far as the fit goes, it was very much about the tailoring with these jeans. There's a stark difference between how stretchy these jeans are, the classic bootcut, which I love, and then the 90s Relaxed. They are cut well at the waist where it's not like drooping or bagging, and that is why in these jeans I did not get a size 8 actually, because when I read relaxed style, in my head that translated to, oh, this is gonna be baggy and possibly a little bit oversized. So I knew if anything I would not be sizing up in these jeans. I figured I'd wind up sizing down. I will say the size 6 fit perfectly. Really good quality denim. It's not too heavy, but it definitely has like that weight to it. The bottom hem of the 90s Relaxed jean is distressed, and then there's just like a little bit of distressing along the pocket hem in the front and along the back pocket as well. And this is my second favorite denim style from this collaboration. If you're looking for something that's more relaxed and not necessarily as form-fitting or curve-hugging, then definitely try the 90s Relaxed jean if that is your vibe. And the inseam on these jeans is a 32-inch inseam. So next up, I have the Good American High-Rise Skinny Jeans. Again, I got them in a 6 and in an 8. The 6 is the size that fit well. And these jeans actually have a 29-inch inseam, which is breaking my inseam rule, but let's talk about it. On me, being 5'9", these jeans look like a cute pair of cropped jeans, but like an intentional crop. Not like you put your jeans in the dryer and they kind of shrunk and now you look like a flood is coming. Like, this looks like a cute pair of intentionally cropped jeans. And I also like how this looks with the denim top that I got, which is why I kind of want to keep these. The size 6 fit me really well in like the hips and butt area, but the waist is big for me in this size. But here's the thing, these jeans do have some stretch in them, so I'm wondering if I can get away with a size 4, because the 4 will definitely be better in the waist for me. I'm just hoping that they still fit in the hips and butt and don't become too tight. So I could get away with a 6. I honestly probably could just get the waist tailored and be just fine, but I'm wondering if I should just go down a size. Anyways, what I love about these jeans, I love the light wash, I love that there's light distressing, and these don't have any distressing at the hems. Okay, so for the 4th jean style, I have the Good American Classic Slim, and honestly, this is the style that is probably my least favorite and I'm on the fence about. I have it in the size 8 and the size 6. The size 6 is what fits. I did not even try on the size 8. With these Good American Classic Slims, it says they're a slim fit high rise, designed to make your legs look extra long with a gap proof waistband, and they have the flat tummy tuck, of course, and the inseam is 28 inches. So once again, this is breaking my inseam rule, and I usually need at least a 32. My preference is a 34, girl. Again, being a shorter inseam, this is a cropped denim look on me. And then they are distressed. They have like the holes in the knee area. Now here's the thing, because they are shorter, this is not exactly like hitting me right over my knee. I feel like we're in the general area, but it's not like my actual patella, girl, you know what I'm trying to say? These are cute. It's a stretch level here. Oh, they do have some give, but they don't have a lot of stretch. These jeans did fit well on my waist, but they were kind of tight on my thighs, but still a size 6 would be my actual size. I feel like if they were a little bit longer, everything would just hit me in a different area, and that would make a huge difference. Also, I do want to be crystal clear that I have the denim top from the Good American and Zara collab. There's a denim top, and then there's a shacket. The shacket is more expensive, so I got the denim shirt. And I think the shacket is basically meant to be like a bit more of an oversized look, longer, and I'm assuming it's probably thicker as well because again, that's a shacket, so shirt, jacket, and this is the denim shirt. I love a good long sleeve denim top. For me, it's a wardrobe staple. And on the site, when I picked my size, girl, I just picked a medium, and when it arrived, it says 2/medium inside. It's a really great quality fabric. It definitely has like a nice weight to it, but it's not like too thick where you could only wear it in the winter time. I am someone who has broad shoulders. I was quite comfortable in this top, and I'm excited to style this with a bunch of different pieces. I do plan to have a denim on denim moment, and I feel like the pair that it goes with best is the high-rise skinny jean. So there are also about 4 basic tees that I want to say that were a part of this collaboration. So 2 of them are short sleeve tees, this one in white, and then it comes in black, and then tanks, one in white, one in black. So just to see what it was giving, I ordered one of the tops. I got it in white, size medium. In comparison to the basic tops that they normally have at Zara that have like this square shape at the shoulder, I feel like this one is cut better. It's not quite as boxy as the normal ones at Zara. Like, you know, the tops that they usually have that are like maybe $9.90, $17.90 if they have like something written on the chest. But they have that very boxy shape. They improved upon the shape with the top in this collaboration. But here's the thing, Chloe girl, we need to talk about this because this top is $35.90. This basic white tee. Now, I'm all for investing in good quality basics. But I just feel like personally, for a top like this, I could have gone in like the men's section, like an H&M or something like that, and got something very similar for less than half the price. Just me being honest here. I could go to Target and get something more form-fitting because I'm the kind of girl, I like a more like form-fitting stretchy top. That is not this. And not to compare them because they're like owned by the sisters, but the Skims, when they did the Soft Lounge baby tee, those were top tier, and I really wish they would bring those back. I asked them on Instagram, I was like, please, 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 bring those tops back because they are amazing. If that was this, oh girl, yeah, I'm sold. But for this, it honestly feels like a regular boyfriend tee. So for me, this was skippable. I would just take that money and put it towards a pair of jeans from this collaboration. Just saying. The Sculpted Denim Jumpsuit. Ooh, I almost didn't get this, honestly. And then at the last minute when I was checking out, I was like, man, when I do my try-on haul, I feel like my people would really like to see this jumpsuit, so let me get it. So really I was thinking of y'all, I wasn't thinking of me, but it looks good on me. This jumpsuit, again, it's the Good American Sculpting jumpsuit. It says it's a fitted short sleeve jumpsuit with hidden front zipper closure and breast pockets. The inseam on this jumpsuit is 34 inches, so you know your girl was very happy because I'm a tall girl. 34-inch inseam, send it my way. What I love about this jumpsuit, it is super stretchy head to toe. I absolutely love it, and they did an amazing job with the tailoring. It just comes in and snatches you at the waist, and it looks amazing on. This is definitely a piece, if you can find it online or at a local store, you need to try this on. And honestly, if you are someone who is petite, because again, I'm 5'9", if you're shorter than me, girl, it's gonna be a bit long for you. This is definitely a look. It gives me 70s vibes, but like not too dated and trendy. It makes me feel like, you know, that little song Car Wash should be playing in the background or something like that. Like, it's a really cute look. And honestly, because it's a jumpsuit, girl, this is the whole outfit right here. All you need is a cute heel and a cute bag, and you are out the door. It has the hidden zipper, so it zips all the way up and down to about here. And then it has the snap closure here to hold it closed. It has the front flat pockets, and then pockets at the breast, and then pockets at the back. And then the leg of the jumpsuit is flared as well, which just really lends to this overall 70s vibe. And like I said, it's stretchy head to toe. Now, I will say, as far as like arm movement, I can get about here comfortably because it does stretch. But again, I'm not going to be out here like doing cartwheels and crazy things in this jumpsuit. It's super figure flattering, it's super curve hugging, and it honestly just looks amazing on. They did a great job with the fit and the cut of this, the seams, everything. It just snatches you in and looks whew, amazing. Now remember, like I've been saying, because this collaboration is so size inclusive, this jumpsuit goes from the extra small to a 5XL. So everybody can get their hands on it and just feel super cute in this jumpsuit. Okay guys, that is everything that I got in my huge Good American and Zara collab try-on haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can catch me on TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, all the places, child, and Fly Fierce Fab everywhere online. And check out my blog too, flyfiercefab.com. I share a lot of outfit ideas and style inspiration over there as well. Thanks for watching, stay snatched, and I'll see you next time.
But first I stretch, tell them run it off. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip this, tell them run it off. No sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch, tell them run it off.